Hello everyone, in this video we'll explain how you can export the WBS from Excel to Primavera by using the SDK Magic Tool. In one of the previous videos, video number 7, we explained that we have 4 methods to export the WBS from Excel. When we select the WBS from the main menu, we have these 4 methods to export the WBS. In the video number 7 we explain the top-down method, and in this video we'll explain the bottom-up WBS method. It will be the same like the top-down WBS, but in the opposite direction, as we will see in this video. This video will be number 8 in this group of videos, and we will use SQLite database. You can also use Oracle database or SQL Server when you select any of them. Let us update the projects in this database, and we will select this project. Under the WBS, from the import menu, we will import the current WBS structure as table. As we see, we have only one item, the project name in this WBS. When we go to Primavera and select our project and open it, as you see we have no activities in this project, and for the WBS we have only one item. We will modify this WBS structure and export it again to Primavera by the bottom-up method. This project consists of 2 buildings, building number 1 and building number 2, and we have prepared some WBS codes to help us when we prepare this WBS structure. Let us copy these codes and paste it anywhere to use them in this WBS structure. The concept of this method, the bottom-up WBS, is any WBS code must precede its parent. In other words, the lowest WBS levels will come first in the table, and then the highest levels of the WBS will come one after one. Let us start with this WBS structure, building number 1. We will start with the lowest levels of the WBS. These are the WBS codes in floor number 1, and this is floor number 1 will come after them. Let us copy this, and the project name must be, the WBS of the project name must be in the 3rd column, and after the project we will start our structure. We will paste these codes for first floor in this location, and we will repeat this 5 times for the 5 floors: floor number 2, floor number 3 and 4, and then last one, floor number 5, and we will change these floors, number 2 and then number 3 will come here, and then number 4 will come here, and the last one it will be pasted here. Now we have the WBS structure for the 5 floors. After that the building will come, building number 1. As you see, we start with the lowest levels, and then the parent come, the lowest level of floor number 2, and then its parent come, and so on, and this will be the parent of all of these sub codes. It will be very easy to fill in the parent of these WBS codes. F1 will be the parent of all of these codes, and F2 will be the parent of these codes, and so on. F3 will be the parent of these codes, and 4 the parent, and the last one will be the parent of these WBS codes, and P1 will be the parent for all these floors, and the project, the code of the project will be the parent of building number 1. Now let us remove these columns in order to keep the format of the sheet. And for the building number 2, all we need is to copy building number 1 and paste it here, and we'll change 1 to 2, and B1 will be B2 in all of its locations, as you see, B1, B2, and so on. And for the last one, now we are ready to export this WBS to Primavera. We have prepared the WBS structure for 2 buildings. We will use this method, the bottom up WBS. Let us export this WBS to Primavera. In all cases, you will get this warning message. This warning message will help you when you intend to review this WBS, or you are not sure that this WBS is correct. If you are sure that you have prepared this WBS in a correct manner, click yes. If you would like to get another chance to review your WBS, click no. We will click yes. Now we have this WBS structure in Primavera. We can import it from this option as a table. This is our new WBS for this project as table, and we can also import it as table and chart. It will be clear. Let us import it as table and chart. As you see, we have this is the project, and building number 1 with its 5 floors, and then building number 2 with its 5 floors. Let us go to Primavera to check these updates. First, let us refresh data. As you see, we have now these 2 buildings in Primavera. This is building number 1, its 5 floors, and then building number 2 with its 5 floors. As you see, it's very easy to use the SDK Magic Tool to export the WBS by this method. You can use also the SDK Magic Tool to modify this WBS and export it again to Primavera. As a note, in the delete option, you have 2 characters. When you use Y, this means the WBS will be deleted with all of its activities, and when you use M, the WBS will be deleted, and the activities under this WBS will be merged with its parent. For example, let us remove building number 2. All we need is to change this into Y, and the building number 2 with all of its follows will be deleted. Let us export this WBS. It will be as table and chart. From this option, go the updates have been made, and when we import this WBS again, as you see, we have only one building and the other building has been removed. When we go to Primavera and after refresh data, as you see, we have now only one building and building number 2 has been removed. This was the second method when you export the WBS from Excel to Primavera by using the SDK Magic Tool. In video number 7, we explained the top-down method, and in this video we have explained the bottom-up WBS method. In the coming videos we will explain the other two methods. Until this time, thank you and goodbye.